So last year, I made a video on how to get US phone numbers for free to make probably create WhatsApp accounts or create any social media accounts or use this for any purposes at all. And the video actually blew up. So I'm making an update in the year 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a US phone number for free. You can use this number to maybe create WhatsApp, create business account, verify survey apps, and just do a lot of other things. Some people probably even create a paper account. You can use this to create a paper account and probably just do anything that you want to do with it. There are so many reasons why people go for US numbers. I understand that right now, some people are paying heavily for phone numbers. In fact, before making this video, someone told me that he had paid as high as 10,000 naira just to get a US phone number, and this number was only used to create a WhatsApp account. And got me thinking, why not make a video like this to actually help people who really need this phone number? So if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make these full tutorials. So I will advise you to subscribe to my channel. Advice now. I'm pleading with you. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. And at the end of this video, you find this useful or you find this interesting, then you will drop a comment. Alright. So like I said earlier, I'll be showing you guys how to get a free US phone number. Disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational purposes only. I understand that there are a lot of numerous things that you can use a US phone number to do, like survey apps, create paper accounts for educational purposes. All right, so please don't. You get it, Jack. You understand what I'm trying to say? Don't use it for any you intend not use it to try to steal from anyone or harm anyone. All right, so that's it. So without wasting much time, because I get down to business, so I'll be switching to my laptop and I will show you the whole process. But you can also do it with your phone. You don't really necessarily need a laptop to do it. You can do it on your phone, but for just a wider interface, I'll be making use of my laptop. Can make use of your phone to do all of this. All right. So without wasting much time, let's get out to business. So first thing first, you need to come to this site, Twilio.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so you don't have to worry. All right. So let's come here. Then I'm going to click it, and it's going to open. All right. So this is how the website looks like. It has a very unique and nice interface, so we don't have to worry about anything. So the first thing you're going to do when you get to this website is come here, then click on start for free. Here, click on start for free. So we're going to wait for it to load. All right, so they're going to bring you to this page where you're supposed to sign up. So all you have to do is just to fill these details here. All right, just fill these details here. As for me, I'm going to come here and click on sign in for, well, let's use capture first. So for me, I'm going to sign up with Google. You can also sign up with Google if you want. It all depends on what you want. So this is the dummy email address I'm using. So I'm going to sign up. Network is kind of taking longer than expected. All right. So when you get to this page, pay attention to this page. It's very important. Here you're going to fill in your phone number. You can fill in your Nigerian number or whichever country that you are. It doesn't really matter. All right. It doesn't really matter. Just fill in your phone number here. All right. So when you fill in your phone number, click on send code via SMS. It all depends on which ones. You can send it via call. So our number just came in. So we're gonna fill it's here. 696989596989. All right. So we're gonna verify. Like I said, you can make use of your Nigerian number. It doesn't really matter. So here, the next thing you're going to send your recovery code. This is very, very important. This code you're seeing here is very important. So you have to save it, and you copy it and save it somewhere, or you download it so that it should be in your device. You can make use of your phone, you can make use of your PC, or it depends on what you want. When you're done, just click on continue, and it's going to take you to another page. So when this opens and brings you to this page, they'll just bring you this page just to probably just fill up this all of this. You get, so you can just, I'm going to and run through this. All right. So you too, you can just follow what I'm doing here. You can just select random stop. You get, so you can just select basically any of them you select here is still going to work. So it doesn't really matter. All right. So when you're done, and then this is next. When you're done with that, this is the next page that they're going to bring it to. So you have to take note of this. As you can see here, this is your balance here. You have $15.50. All right. This is like a trial balance. Okay. So we have this balance here. Take note of your balance. It's very important. So the next thing we need to do is that we need to come to these phone numbers right here by your left hand side. We're going to click on it. We need to drop down, then click on manage. All right. Click on manage. So when it opens, then you're going to click on buy a number. We'll click on that. I will let it open. Okay. So we're going to see all of this. So here, if you want to buy this number for another country, you can just come here. Then you're going to see like so many other countries. But for the sake of this video, I'm buying a US number. This is what I need it for, a US phone number. So wouldn't change any other thing. You get, so here all right. So what you need to do is that you come down here. Then you're going to see different phone numbers here. As you can see, you see the one here is for Texas. This one is for Clark. This one is for Lake City, Texas, still Texas. They are like different country. There are different state codes here. All right. So you can decide to choose whichever states you want to work with. All right. You can choose whichever state you want to work with, and then you just buy it. And another thing is that if you don't send any number that you want here, or you a specific state that you want here, you can just refresh. All right, refresh. You're going to see because every other different numbers to be supplied to you. Okay. So for the sake of this video, let's just pick the first one, then work with it. So when you see the number that you want and you're satisfied with it, you just have to come here. Just click here buy. You're gonna come and click on buy. Then you're going to see this form here. How you have to do is just scroll down, then click on agree. Get, like, there's nothing so serious here for you to go through. You just come here, click on agree, then click on buy this number. And we're gonna wait for it to load. And voila, we have purchased our number. All right. Now we have gotten our US phone number for free, basically. Just click on configure phone number. So here, as you can see, you don't really need to configure anything here, to be honest. All right, just leave everything as it is. All right, just leave everything as it is. Don't touch anything. So now that we have our phone number, here's our phone number. You can also always come here and click on it and copy it. All right, so here's the locality of the phone number. Here it is. Here's the states. Here's the town in Texas. Here it is. All right, so, and if you don't want to make sure the phone number, you can also come here and release it. Okay. So you can always come here and release it. So now here's the thing. If you want to receive SMS, you come here, click on here, click on this log here. All right. So if you receive an SMS, you have to come here and click on here. And now when you click on here, basically you're not going to see anything here. You can use this to create WhatsApp, anyone, anything at all. Okay, when you come here, what you have to do is click on incoming and then click on filter. So if you receive any SMS, it's going to be here. All right. So what you need to do is that when you see SMS, just to click on view all my message log, and you're going to see your numbers and how to access it. So this is where we're going to stop here. I hope you find this useful. So to get your number, you have to come down to, let's say you log in and you want to find your number. You have to follow this step. Just come here to numbers, click on manage. Then you're going to see active numbers. You click on active numbers, and then you're going to find your number, that's the number that we created. It's very easy and very straightforward to use. All right. So you're going to take note of your balance.
So you can buy as many numbers as possible. All right. For each month, this number will be renewed for $1. For each month, it's going to be renewed for $1. So you have $15 now. So you're going to take like roughly 15 months for you to exhaust this. And you can also always go back and create another account and get more funds, then and get more numbers as much as you want. All right. So that's that on how to get a free US number. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below, and I'll attend to you to the best of my knowledge.
So that's how to create a US phone number and get a free US number for free. All right, so can use this to create literally any social media account or WhatsApp or anything at all. All right, so like I said, this is strictly for educational purposes. Also, if you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification and also like this video. It's very important. Hit that smash that like button. All right, it's very important. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.